Fresh coconuts arrive at the factory, ready for processing. Each coconut is precisely cracked open by automated machines. The white coconut meat is shredded into fine pieces. Hydraulic presses extract rich, creamy coconut milk. Let's see how coconut milk is made step by step. Fresh coconuts arrive at the factory. They move onto the sorting conveyor. Workers check quality carefully. The sorting line runs smoothly. Each coconut is inspected closely. Machines grade them by size. Damaged coconuts are removed. Approved coconuts continue forward. The line moves toward washing. The receiving process is complete. Coconuts enter the washing machine. High-pressure water removes dirt. Shells are cleaned thoroughly. The drum rotates continuously. Clean coconuts exit the washer. Air dryers remove surface water. Water drains below the system. The process is monitored closely. Steam rises slightly in the area. Clean coconuts move ahead. Machines remove the outer husk. Fibers separate from the shell. Husk waste moves away. Shells are cut open. The coconut splits cleanly. Shell pieces are collected. White coconut meat is revealed. Shell waste is recycled. Halves move to extraction. The shell removal is finished. Blades remove coconut meat. Fresh white flesh is separated. Pieces fall onto conveyor. Quality is checked under lights. Imperfect pieces are removed. Clean meat enters hopper. The pieces look fresh and moist. The system weighs the meat. It moves toward grinding. Extraction step is complete. Rotating drums shred it finely. Fine flakes fall below. The machine runs steadily. Texture becomes soft and fine. Motors spin smoothly. Grated coconut enters press. Hydraulic pressure is applied. Coconut milk begins to flow. The pressure is controlled. Dry pulp remains behind. Milk moves through pipes. Filters remove fine particles. The tank slowly fills. Pipes remain cool and clean. Extraction process finishes. Milk enters fine filters. Small particles are removed. The homogenizer starts running. Milk blends evenly inside. Temperature is monitored. Pressure stays stable. Texture becomes smooth. Tanks stay sealed and clean. System runs automatically. Processing continues forward. Milk enters heating system. Temperature is controlled carefully. Milk moves to cooling stage. Cold water cools it quickly. Pipes carry milk safely. Quality checks continue. Pasteurization is complete. Empty bottles line up. Milk fills each bottle. Caps are placed on top. Bottles are checked for leaks. Bottles move forward. Filling stage is done. Bottles receive labels. Codes are scanned quickly. Bottles group into cartons. Cartons are sealed. Robots stack boxes. Pallets are wrapped securely. Forklifts move finished goods. Products enter storage racks. Trucks are loaded carefully. Coconut milk is ready for delivery. Fresh coconut milk, sealed and ready for use. Smooth, creamy, and perfect for everyday recipes. Pure coconut goodness, made with care. Subscribe for more.